Hi, my name is Tony. I had an all-on X with Dr. Ewing. Aesthetically, I started having problems with the front as well as the back. At one point, I had a Maryland bridge that cracked. I got it repaired, it cracked again. It was just an ongoing problem. Smoking further complicated the problem because it continued to create more problems with the gums and the bone structure underneath the gums. So it came to the point where I was going to need to make a decision or find a solution because the teeth were slowly falling out. The breaking point for me was meeting with my former dentist, and he telling me that at some point, if I didn't stop smoking, which I did, that I would be losing all my teeth. And basically, I did, and I did. One of the gentlemen that worked for me was a patient of Dr. Ewing's. This gentleman told me about Dr. Ewing, and I went over and met him. We sat down, I got to know a little bit about his background. He was really updated with the most current technology and techniques, and he really got me interested in one, a long-term solution, and two, him explaining to me all the different options that were available.
When I met Tony, he was getting pretty frustrated of having a lot of patch and replace dentistry. He has a busy professional schedule, and he's also the lead singer of a cover band, and so he just can't have unpredictability in his dental situation. He had some significant infections, some broken teeth, and so we decided together that getting down to a fresh base and rebuilding with an implant reconstruction all on X on the top and the bottom jaw was going to be the best bet for him.
I mean, it looks fantastic. I just have no sense of self-doubt as far as what my facial features are, what my smile looks like. Very, very confident, very back in front, back on top of my game. With the band, I've always loved, being in front of people, entertaining people, and with my new smile, it just makes it that much more rewarding. Just totally, yeah! I mean, that's just what it's all about. Go ahead, do your due diligence and meet other people, but come see Dr. Ewing because he is the finest solution.